Hey math adventurers, welcome to Trick Equals Treat, where we turn tough math problems into satisfying mind treats. Today we are tackling a radical equation that looks simple, but hides a sneaky secret. The challenge. Square root of x plus 26 plus square root of x plus 5 equals 7. Look at this beast. Square root of x plus 26 plus square root of x plus 5 equals 7. Now the standard approach, the brute force treat, is to square both sides in some way. That works, but you have to square it twice. Honestly, it's a bit of a mathematical chore, not very treat-like, right? But we don't do brute force here, we use trickery. What if we could introduce a second equation that lets us eliminate one of these square roots right away? The secret is to think about the difference of two square roots. Let's imagine a brand new variable, u, that represents that difference. Let square root of x plus 26 minus square root of x plus 5 equals u. Now we have a system of equations. Square root of x plus 26 plus square root of x plus 5 equals 7. This is our equation 1. Square root of x plus 26 minus square root of x plus 5 equals u. This is our equation 2. We are going to use the most magical math tool, the difference of squares. Remember this? A plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared. Let's multiply equation 1 by equation 2. Square root of x plus 26 plus square root of x plus 5 times square root of x plus 26 minus square root of x plus 5 equals 7u. Watch! The square roots vanish. This is the real treat. Square root of x plus 26 squared minus square root of x plus 5 squared equals 7u. X plus 26 minus x plus 5 equals 7u. Clean up the x terms. X minus x plus 26 minus 5 equals 7u. And bam! 21 equals 7u. A simple division gives us the value of our magical variable u. u equals 3. Amazing! Now we can plug u equals 3 back into our second equation. This gives us a much simpler system to solve. We have square root of x plus 26 plus square root of x plus 5 equals 7. Still, this is our equation 1. Since u equals 3, we get square root of x plus 26 minus square root of x plus 5 equals 3. Let's call it equation 3. Time for the big finish. Let's add these two equations together. Look what happens to the square root of x plus 5 terms. They cancel out. Poof! Now we get 2 square root of x plus 26 equals 7 plus 3. This is a piece of cake. Divide each side by 2. Square root of x plus 26 equals 5. Our final step, square both sides to free the x. Square root of x plus 26 squared equals 5 squared. We get x plus 26 equals 25. And our final solution is x equals negative 1. So, there you have it. The solution is x equals negative 1. We turned the difficult repetitive squaring problem into a quick, elegant system using the difference of squares, the ultimate math trick. Did you find that satisfying? Hit that like button if you love a clever math shortcut. Let me know in the comments what tough equation you want to see solved with the trick next time.